Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So we do have a couple of range bars. So basically yesterday was a range day. Retesting this 5193 area, as you can see, and then there is a level in the middle of nowhere. But I suppose if we just use a bit of logic here, let me get it right, there is this little tail which is probably the zone that we're looking at. So it's 52.20 and 52.24. Oscillators at the moment are just hovering all over the place. Nothing there to help us on the 8 hour, and we are in amongst the moving averages there. So nothing really indicating we are doing anything. When we have a look at the 3 hour, yesterday was pretty much not big down, but down, up, down. We do have a bit of a hanging man formation here, and if you just look left, you can see it is a fairly strong zone of resistance that we have resisted. And as I said yesterday, we need to break through this zone and build a base up there before I'd be looking for longs. From a moving average perspective, we are still in a bearish setup, but it's more of a case of a range than anything else. We're in amongst the moving averages here. Oscillators have separated and looking like they're going to roll. So this would need to break some structure, and if you look at the hour, there's your complete chaos. And if you look at the oscillators here on the hour, complete different setup to what we're seeing on the 3 hour. So quite simple. Until we break 42.25 and come back and test it, I'm not looking for longs. And until we drop below the lows of yesterday at 51.94 and come back to test it, I'm not looking for shorts. There is one more level in amongst all of this, which is this pin bar here from the 3rd of April, and that is 5200. So I'm not convinced that we have anything going at the moment, but it was Monday, and that is typical price action for a Monday. But if you look at the 15 minutes at the moment, this is indicating possible moves to the downside with that crossover. But until we're below the 150, and the 150 is either pointing straight down or straight up, in other words, like this, and you can see the faster moving averages pointing very sharply to the downside, that indicates we have a strong trend brewing. But this is a range. So it is sit on your hands until a break and retest the structure. So the highs of yesterday is what you can actually extend this to. So you need to get above 52.26, break above, come back and test it. That would give you the opportunity for longs. Lows of yesterday at 51.94, break below, come back and test. That would give you the opportunity for the shorts. So that's kind of my view at the moment. It's sit on hands until that happens. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.